What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And for those of you that don't know me, I am the LSSWAPGURU, coming to you live from Los Angeles with a how-to video. I don't do those often, but go ahead and stay tuned. So what we got here today is a 5.3 Vortec motor. What I'm going to be doing is swapping out the harmonic balancer on there. Right now we have a harmonic balancer for, I don't know why I just rubbed my beard with these dirty ass gloves, but right now we have a harmonic balancer from a truck that's on here. I'll show you that. Absolutely, bro, anytime. So right now we have this one on here. This one is actually going to be coming off, and we're going to be installing that one, which is from a C5 Corvette. So I'm going to show you guys how to take this one off and install that one. I actually did a video on this about 3 years ago. I actually checked today, and the video had 113,000 views. I'll actually leave that in the description below so you guys can check it out. How I showed you guys how to do it previously, but this way is actually the right way of doing it, and it's a little bit easier, I say. So the tool that you're going to need is going to be a 24 or a 5/16. I have a 24. The 24 is going to be for the harmonic balancer bolt, and then you're going to need install tool, a removal tool. I don't recommend you using that one. Just go grab the standard claw one and it'll work out fine. And oh, you're also going to need a Ls7 bolt, which I haven't opened up yet, but it's in here, and I'll show you guys why. Wait till the end of the video. This is not no clickbait, but I'm going to show you how to install it with the OEM GM bolt. Yes, I said it. So let me take this off and get back with you in a second. So I'm actually going to be using a strap-on. So for you guys that got regular wrenches, whatever, go get a strap-on or whatever you want to get. Just make your life way easier. And actually you need a big one for this one, but let's see if this shit works or not. Nope, I'm gonna have to break the shit. So I get for talking shit. Hold on. All right, so we got the OEM bolt out right there. Now, what we're gonna do is take this little jam piece out, and I'm gonna show you how to install that one. But I don't recommend this one because it took us like 5 minutes off camera to get it set up, but here we go. Alright, cool deal. So that's how you guys remove the harmonic balancer. So now bolt. And a lot of people are like, oh yeah, so in the last video, if you check the description below down here, if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Like I said, this bolt right here, in the last video, I can't remember, I didn't watch it, I just went and see how many views it had. I basically tapped the harmonic balancer on with some wood and blah blah blah. Then I used this bolt to kind of press it on. People are like, oh, it's gonna strip the threads and this and that. No, you're not, but this is gonna be a way better way of doing this. If you look at these bolts, you can clearly see the difference. This one is longer. So what do you guys think we're gonna do? We're gonna take this bolt here, put the harmonic balancer on it, and press it, basically thread it all the way till we can't thread it anymore. Just press it on there, literally that simple. That's how we're gonna do it. So on this, basically what you wanna do is get this harmonic balancer on there to where it's even as much as possible. You're gonna take that bolt, as you can see there's still plenty of play inside of there, and just twist, twist, twist. Slide to the right. And it has this little washer here that fits perfect inside of there. And this is not just for the C5 harmonic balancer, this is for plenty other ones as well. See all that twisting? It's literally going threading the crank. So you're not gonna mess up anything. You guys are gonna love me for this. All right, so that's pretty much as snug as it's gonna get. And I need to find 24 that I had and throw this thing back on. All right, so here we go. This gun, it's not hella strong. Like, you can use it for multiple things. It is strong enough, I guess, to install this harmonic balancer, but you want the half half driver gun, I guess you call it. I wouldn't recommend snap-on because, like I said, strap-on is very expensive. This gun right here is about 500 bucks. The other one is an earthquake from Harbor Freight. It's about 300 bucks. Way bigger than this, and it does the job too. So enough with that. Basically, just push this on, and then from back here, you can actually watch the harmonic balancer go in. Let me see. Oh, it's dead. But don't worry, because you still have to, this is literally just to press it on as far as you can go. This gun don't torque to 250, trust me, it doesn't. Especially with it being dead, so don't worry about harming the motor or anything. You're not gonna harm the motor unless you have one of them air compressing your guns go about to 500. But if you can see right there, it still need to be pressed on, so I might have to use some muscle. But first, I'm gonna see if I have another battery. Chitty chitty bang bang, I found another one. I get to be lazy. So check it out. Basically press it, continue to press it on. Weak ass strap on ain't working, so I actually forgot, because I haven't had this LS7 boat in a while. So what you're actually going to need to do is take this one off, because this is just enough to press it on there. It's going to basically bottom out. You're going to take this one, your original bolt, and you cannot reuse this one, so make sure you buy a new one. And you're going to just twist it all the way in, twist it in, twist it in, twist it in. And it basically grabbed enough already, and then just press it on the rest of the way. See if I can get that action on here. See if I can get y'all the action. Yeah, so as you can see now, it's a lot closer on there. Damn, why am I seeing so close? There we go. But yeah, basically just close that gap. Okay, I'm kind of embarrassing myself with this gun, so yeah, I'm gonna basically press it on the rest of the way. I hope that, like I said, I hope that helped you guys out. If you don't know better, you can't do better, so hopefully you know better now. And that's pretty much the easy way to install your harmonic balancer. Like I said, for the part numbers, it's a LS7 crank bolt and a 24. That's pretty much all you need. And the claw tool to remove it. But like I said, don't use the crappy one I got. That's one I have around, so I just use that from time to time. But there's another one that's better than that. Just type in LS1 harmonic balancer removal tool and get your paper, guys. Away.